Hi guys, my name is Shimo, and today I'm going to try to build a Lego set in Fursuit. Okay, step 1. Yeah, it's like the actual lining up is like the harder thing. Ah, it's stuck. Oh, we got it. This is actually not as hard. I thought this part was going to be a lot harder than it. Of course, I drop it right when I say that, but... So all I have to do now is attach all the wings and extra things to the actual X-Wing base. Man, if I break this now, it'll be... It won't be funny, but it would kind of be funny. Oh my gosh, we got it in. Okay, so after some off-screen trial and error here, we finally did get finished.